These are the muscles associated with the leg. And on this particular model, you can see the iliacus, which is this muscle right here. You can see the psoas major on this model, and it's right here. And then we have the sartorius. It's a really long muscle that comes all the way across the leg, like that. It's really thin. And then the tensor fascia lata is on the side of the leg, the lateral side. It's this muscle right here. It's connected to a very large tendon. The gluteus maximus, come around towards the lateral side of the leg, right here. The gluteus medius is this muscle right here. And for the adductors, have to come around the medial side of the leg. Here we go. See, the gracilis is this muscle right here, right next to the sartorius right here. This is the gracilis. The pectineus, come more towards the anterior side right here. It's not labeled on this as a number. It's that one. And then the adductor magnus is this muscle right here. It's more medial to the gracilis, right here. And then this is the adductor longus and the adductor brevis. It's really small right here. And then on the anterior side of the leg, these are collectively known as the quadriceps femoris. You have the rectus femoris right here in the center. And then you have the vastus medialis on the medial side of the leg. You can see this is the medial side. So vastus medialis. And then you have the vastus lateralis, more towards the lateral side of the leg. You can see this is more lateral. And then underneath the rectus femoris here is the vastus intermedius. On this model, I can't really remove the muscle, but it's under here. And then for the hamstrings, come around more posterior to the leg. You have the biceps femoris, is this one. So to orient, here's the gluteus maximus, so it's right here. That is the biceps femoris. And these are actually two muscles. This is the semitendinosus on top, and the semimembranosus underneath here. It's right here. And then towards the shins, you have the tibialis anterior on the anterior side of the leg. Comes all the way down here. Rests right on the tibia there. The extensor digitorum longus is this muscle right here, and it divides into these four tendons that you see here. And then the extensor hallucis longus, can't really see very well on this model, but it's right here. Divides into this tendon right here that goes to the hallux. On the other model, it's actually this one right here that you see. And then going more lateral, this is on the fibula, and this is called the fibularis longus. It comes all the way down. And then more posterior, this right here is the gastrocnemius. And underneath this one, if I can remove it, this muscle right here is the soleus. And then underneath on this model, it's kind of hard to remove the rest of them. This is the flexor digitorum longus right here on the side. It's more medial to the other ones on this posterior side right here. And then the flexor hallucis longus is this muscle right here. And those are the muscles of the leg.